So now we were talking about the other one. The other one is called bubble sort. Bubble sort is very common sense because it just compared to the next one. For example, we will see a bubble sort here. The also is net is the loop. The out loop is controlled by J and the inner controlled by the I, right? So how do we work for the bubble sort? So J is when J is the first and I is from the 0 to the length have to -1 because we always compare to the next one. So for example, first 2 will compare to 9 and 9 will compare to 1, 1 will compare to 6. For example, if it is, not small to large, we will just exchange, okay? So I want you to see this example. For example, 2 and 9. 2 and 9 is original, right? Okay, so do not change. And 9 and 1, 1 is smaller than 9, so exchange. So this is exchange. And then still, the index is still here. It means the inner loop is still here. So we still will compare to the next. So 6, 9 will exchange. 9 with 5 exchange. 9 with 3 will exchange. Exchange because it's larger until now. Do not exchange, right? And 10 compared to 4 exchange. So every time it's just the index will just, the inner part will just find that next one. The index, key index is the next one. It's a little different from the exchange sort. The exchange sort every time will make first one be the small one and fix the first two. But for the bubble sort, always the first inner loop finished. I think the largest will be here, just like a bubble will be here. And then the next 9 will be here. Yeah, because it will exchange until he fixes his position. And then next we'll fix the 8 and fix the 7, fix the 5, fix the 6 and fix the 5. Of course, during the process, the other part will change, but every time you just change with your next door. I mean the next part. So you can see it's doesn't mean more quickly, but the logic is different. The exchange sort is jump, right? The bubble sort is just compare with the next door. So we will try to do that. Okay, we try to do that. Sorry, where is it? So creating one. Okay, so we call that bubble sort. I think the two sort must appear at least one in your, no matter it's ASSB exam or the final exam. So we just practice two search, two sort. Have to be remember, okay? So the outside we use the outside loop. We use J in range. Yeah, it's control the index. And the inside we will use the I, but the range I is from 0 to the length. We have to be -1. Why? Because back to here, you will see if your index here, you cannot exchange it to another. So we have to fix the one, and we cannot, the inner part, we cannot until the last position because you do not have the next one. So it will appear a syntax error, I mean a bug. So the inner loop, the index cannot be more than here, right? So you have to be -1 because the last one just make sure you can exchange the with the next one. So the inner have to be -1 here. -1 here. For otherwise you will out of the range. So if the list I larger than the list I plus 1, because the I will larger than I plus 1, right? So then we will do the swap. To do the swap is list I list J will equal list J and list I. Just swap. And every time we do that, we just print the list to let you know it's really strange. Oh, just a lot out. Okay, we make the list one more time so we can pass from the. Okay, I think I cannot copy from here. Okay, type it up ourselves. 921, sorry, 9229165378104. So we print the original sort. So we print the list. Then just show that we print. Oh, we do not print. We just call that in, and it will print every time when you switch, right? So it's from desk bubble. Oh, ooh, so much, right? Oh, this is strange every time, right? It's cool. Every time you change, it's original change. Why you do not change? Oh, this have something wrong. Oh, because we do not change I and J. We changed I with I plus 1 because it is not the exchange sort. So please don't forget it. That is the point, the different, right? It's no J here. J is control how many times you do that. Actually, it's inner index control everything. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's really every time exchange with your next door, just like bubble sort. Yeah, but we can do it. I do not really provide this example as an assignment just because I want you to know these two are very important. No matter what, I want you really try to practice it. Okay. Or we can make it as a bubble sort of. Forget it. I think it's enough. I do not provide another assignment. I want you just practice it. Okay. It must appear no matter ASSB exam. Otherwise, it will be the final exam. Must be appear to search to solve. Okay. Practice. It's your turn.